Have you ever wondered why Andes mints are always rectangular? Today we're diving deep into the history, design, and quality of these beloved candies. Andes mints were first introduced in 1950 by Andrew Canellos in Chicago, featuring a unique rectangular shape that sets them apart from other candies. The iconic candy consists of 3 layers, 2 thin cocoa-based chocolate layers, sandwiching a green mint creme layer, creating a distinctive flavor profile. Each Andes mint is carefully manufactured to ensure high-quality standards, using only the finest ingredients and rigorous quality control measures. The rectangular shape not only makes them visually appealing, but also fits perfectly in a variety of packaging sizes, making them easy to distribute and consume. Andes mints have remained an American favorite since their launch, with their distinctive green and white wrapper that has stayed largely unchanged over the years. In conclusion, Andes mints are more than just a candy. They're a symbol of consistency and quality in the confectionery world, thanks to their unique rectangular shape. What do you think makes Andes mints so special? Share your thoughts on these iconic candies in the comments below.